Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to this week's vlog for the 11th of August 2023. Got a few things to announce throughout this vlog, but first off, I'm going on holiday tomorrow down Cornwall, so just to let you know, I mean, the website's all still up and subscriptions still working. It's just that the store orders won't be dispatched until probably the Sunday or the Monday next week, so just keep that in mind if you order anything from the store. Now, last month our competition was for the Tamiya's North American P51D Mustang 1/72 scale. Really cool kit, and after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down our database, I came to Russell Cullihan. So congratulations to you, Russell Cullihan, you are the winner. All you got to do is give me a bell, emails, phone calls, text, whatever, and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. Now we have got another competition to announce for this month, which we'll get round to in a bit. Just to let you know a few things that we've been doing. We've had a couple of inbox reviews since our last vlog. We did the 1/72 scale Academy F14B Tomcat. This is a nice cool kit actually. I do like a couple of Academy sort of, they did like FA18s and the Tomcats and stuff. Really kind of bit more sort of new tool, modern tooling on these, and they do look pretty damn good if you want some a little bit smaller than say 1/48 scale. Do like them, nice price on them as well. Bit of an old tool, but Reebok's quite new. We had a look at the Fucker Boy, what was it, Edard. It's a proper pack edition 1/48 scale. As I say, bit of an old tool, but when in the hands of Edard with all their photo etching stuff, it kind of modernizes it and makes it look that little bit better with all that photo etching there. So rather cool kit, and it's not very expensive. I think it was only about £20. 1/48 scale as well. Again, another cool kit to take a look at. Those videos, you can go check them on the Genessis Models website and check them out. And this one actually, this one's quite a cool one as well. This one's a bit of an old mold. It's pretty much the kind of like the best Thunderbolt you could get in 1/48 scale. It's by Hobby Boss, right? Still damn good, right? I mean, it's still a damn good mold. I know this one's going back about maybe 10 years when it was new tooled, but still a really good build to do. I know that Academy has brought out a Thunderbolt and A10. I have got that in stock, and I will be doing, probably when I get back off holiday, I'll go off and do the Academy 1/48 scale Thunderbolt A10, and we can sort of compare. But from what I can see, I suppose so far from what I could see, just having a little look at it, the Academy one just kind of looks a bit more kind of, shall we say, the surface details maybe a bit more detailed and whatnot, you know, but the Hobby Boss has still got it if you ask me, and the prices are quite similar. Right, so those are a couple of inbox reviews we've been doing. Now the Apache is coming along. I've spent quite a bit of time on this actually. Few sort of little problems and fit issues. What is it, episode 9 is already up on the website if you want to go check it out fully. But yes, with this so far, I mean, you know, bringing all this sort of landing gear, it's a bit of a shame because we've got to actually fit it in. Just the way it constructs together, you've got to sort of have the landing gear in there, so you can't have it separate and spray it separate and weather it, and a few other bits and bobs going on around there, and how to sort of do it. We did a bit more photo etch as well. Lots of cool stuff. So yeah, that's coming along, and I'm really excited to sort of jump back into that when I get off my holidays. And really, it's kind of getting to a stage now where it's a bit like a tank, right? We're kind of almost there. It's just sticking on lots and lots of little pieces, which nothing really for me to kind of teach in that sense, because well, it's just gluing stuff on and lots of it. Probably finalize a couple more gaps and maybe where we made our own rivets and stuff, but other than that, yeah, it's just gluing lots of stuff on. Really want to get into the spray stage with that. Now we do have this month's competition. I'm just going to announce that now, which I'm going to give away. Yes, this one just here. This is the, you know, as we've just seen, inbox review just gone up of it, the A10 Thunderbolt by Hobby Boss 148 scale. So this is August's competition. I'll announce it, say, the beginning of September, who is the winner of this. Now, as always, to be in it, to win it, all you got to do is have an account on the Genessis Models website. It's nice and easy. You can have a free account, and that gets you entered for the term of the whole time that you have an account. So you've only got to get one account and you've sorted, and you're automatically entered every single time. If you have stuff like fighter pilot accounts, like for supporting Genessis models, you know, we kind of throw your name in the hat twice, and if you're a fighter ace, we throw your name in the hat 3 times, just to kind of say thank you. Just gives you a bit more of a chance when we kind of go down that database after doing a random number generation program. You just got a bit more chance of winning. So that is our competition. So other than that, I've got to run around and sort of get ready for my holiday tomorrow, get packing and all that kind of good stuff. So I will leave you with that, and hopefully you'll enjoy all the videos that we have on the Genessis Models website. So as always, until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.